one's
might
that?
as well be Zeke and me.
That's a proper
Each day,
fortified place,
everybody took the litter
historic,
out
eh?
themselves.
We're
Then
in
it was the job of the tier tenders to clean up the front of
Branwyn,
the tier and pile up the trash. Then another set of guys threw the piles of litter into large bins, 3 feet wide and 8 feet long, rolling them out for the trash truck. There were also 55-gallon containers, which the large bins were emptied into. Once the trash truck pulled into the yard, Zeke and I would lift the 55-gallon drums up and into the truck. The guys on the truck would empty the drums and hand them back down to us. That was it. Our gig was done in minutes. The thing about trash truck detail was that it had perks. During rainy day lockups, or if the fog rolled in, everybody was locked down, unless, like us,
it's very pretty. Maybe I should do the chest mount thing now, actually, the helmet mount. And then the chest mount.
The other side is a better side.